Good morning, everyone. We got a couple things going on today. I always have really good plans in the morning, and then by the afternoon they don't work out, and I figure out something else. But currently, as of now, the plan is to stop by my friend Matt Combs' shop, Nexus Motorsports, and pick up a fender roller from him, and then come home and roll the fenders on my Z.
Now here's
Starting the day off pretty early, which feels nice. I like starting off my days a little bit earlier.
Human music. I like it.
Genesis, the Matt Combs Subaru. Probably won't film much inside because I don't want to be disrespectful, but I'll probably film a little.
I like it.
Well, we spent a lot more time at the shop than we thought we were going to. Combs is a cool guy. I don't mind helping Combs here and there. It was fun. Tore apart a couple boxer motors, and not bad. Trying to vinyl wrap my roof today too.
I got a Nissan Rogue. This shit broken.
What do you want us to do about it, sir? Nothing, I just wanted to tell you.
Alright, bye.
Okay, I gotta go. What was I saying? Oh, if anyone's in California and has a spot that we can crash at, hit me up. LA. We're coming for you. So, this side's off the ground and everything's moving along on this side fine. So now I have to raise that coilover. Oh, beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's moving pretty freely. I understand this is kind of a bad angle to show you guys what I'm doing exactly, but I need to get that orange like up with it. That's it though. You won't be able to see that when I have rim fitment, boy. While Matt's doing that, I'm pulling the front fender liner. Probably do both sides. There's screws out. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a couple body pins back there that I'd already taken out from a different time, I guess. I raised the coilover a good bit, that much. So now, keep going. I'm gonna tuck those two lines right there. They're just for the washer, but I found a place that I can attach them onto this bar up there that you can't really see. So now I have to drop this coil all the way back down. Be right back. Hey, wait, Matt. How have you been today? How are you doing today?
Toxic, man.
You haven't been, yeah, you haven't been in the video much today. I started the video going to get you from school and then just... Look at how clean them suckers are. Not very.
How am I?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Heartburn? No heartburn?
Yeah, heartburn.
Ooh, fantastic. But we are about to eat, so stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Today might be a better day than you thought. Matt Queen might get heartburn. Kind of getting done with this whole rolling fenders thing. It's pretty annoying, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys have ever rolled fenders, you'd have an idea, an inclination. Hold up, let me turn my music off. Most of the day is kind of gone. I got this little grease marker because I'm gonna actually mark the coilovers. So I'm gonna mark the coilovers in a little bit. I'm gonna raise them a little bit and then mark right there. But I'm going to eat dinner, so be right back. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty unenthused to do this side of the car because I know it's gonna take forever and my arms are already feeling pretty sore. But if I don't do it now, I'm gonna have to do the same exact process later. So it's like I might as well do it now. No better time. I'm gonna quit bitching, I'm gonna get started, and I'll be happy when it's done. Give me a second. I'm back. I made it into a bit more of a chisel tip, so hopefully this will work better. Not great, but it's there. So I'll adjust the coilover up a little bit more and then be able to see where it sits, and then I'll mark it better. So, 1 second. So I'm almost most of the way down now. A little ways to go still. Probably grab the roller and see how far away I am in a second here. I'm just gonna try to get a couple more good turns on it, and I'll try it out. Let me show you where I made that mark. Stayed pretty well. I mean, I can definitely see how low to go with it. I'll kind of talk a little bit as I'm setting it up, so you guys have an idea of how you would set up a Fender roller. One thing that really messed with my head, reverse threads on this piece here. These are all reverse, which got me. Follow my advice very loosely, because I don't know exactly what I'm doing. This side's gonna be basically the same as the other, so not that exciting to watch. But it's a grease pen.
I thought it was coke.
You're so, oh gosh. I'll be right back. It's fairly flat. Really happy with how it turned out. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but if you look at it like this, it could be tucked a little more. But right now I don't really have rim fitment anyway. Matt joined me. How's your stomach? Here is my PP blaster.
PB blaster.
PP blaster.
PB blaster.
PP
Blaster.
PB. Oh, you're kidding me.
What?
I'll be right back. We're back. I got working PP blaster. Still got one more to do. But moving the coilover in the front's harder. So. Matt, you have anything exciting to do? Say. Okay, I'm gonna mark these just like I did on the rear. So these are a little easier because you see I got a lot more threads up here. Moving them is a little more difficult, that's all. Okay, I raised it about 1.5 inches there. I'm gonna start rolling the fenders now, if I can get the fender roller fit on there right. I'm passionless, man. Can you finish the video?
Hey guys.
Recap what we did today, too.
Alright, so today was a pretty shitty day. What did we do today?
Roll the oh, dude. Balls, man.
What?
I forgot I have to lower the coilover still. God.
Rolled the fenders all today. We helped our friend Matt out at his shop. We're pretty bummed.
Why?
I'm bummed because I'm tired and I hate rolling fenders.
Because of what? What are you bummed about? You said you're bummed. Why are you bummed? Why are you bummed? Why are you bummed? Matt, why are you, Matt, you're bummed, but why are you bummed?
I'm bummed because I'm tired and I hate rolling Fenders. I'm not bummed about anything. I'm just tired.
Yeah, listen, you guys that roll Fenders, you know, you get like 1.5 done and you're like, all right, fuck this. This sucks.
Which is almost what we did.
It was very close to what we did.
We ate some food and I continued to do nothing and he finished the rest.
You know how much of a pain it is to get this thing in here and on all 4 jack stands. Like, I don't feel like doing that again for a little while.
Yeah.
For at least like another 3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
After that, I'll come back.
Yeah. Our battery's about to die on our camera. So,
Plug that in, dude.
that's the end of this video. I'm tired.
Hey, hit that bell button.
Well, hopefully, so if he finishes.
Stop repeating what I'm saying, bitch.
Stop repeating what I'm saying, bitch.
Oh, you. If I wasn't sitting over here tightening coilers for the next 30 minutes, you better believe I'd be over there kicking your ass.
Yeah. All right. Well, here,
No,
stand up.
no,
Just
no,
stand up for a second. No, it's no problem.
Well,
You'll beat me up, dude.
No, my legs hurt. I can't stand up anymore.